Hey yo, Mr. Evil.
Hey everybody, you know it's your girl Shelly Expressions, and I'm saying join us this Sunday on our Sunday Night Live that starts at 8 p.m. We are going to be talking about a 16-year-old who fed more than over 100 homeless people, and of course Shaggy's Hotshot album that ranked the biggest on the 200 Billboard charts. People, is Be the Man seeking attention from Vybz Kartel? And are the people saying that Vybz Kartel is the real king of the dance song? Join us this Sunday at 8 p.m. at Incognito Vacation Stay and make us shut up the things there, yeah? Our special guest this Sunday will be none other than the man himself, Dr. Evil, Left Side. So come join me, come chill, come sit down and chat with you, ask him about questions about his new beginnings for 2025, alright? Incognito Vacation Stay this Sunday, Sunday Night Live. I'm your host, Shelly Expressions, and my co-host, Orville Hall. See you this Sunday.
Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait,
Kamisha, what are you doing?
I take that dance.
So where you want me for do now?
I want you to do it. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you.
Hold on. That part you may understand, you see? Yeah. That part ya? Yeah. So that part ya. So me feel lick up my hip too?
Yes.
Eh? Them not have a man part?
No.
Me can't manage this man. This is too much.
Daddy, I said the dance go.
But me not have to do this.
You have to.
And me have to sing the song too?
Come on, Daddy. It's not that hard. It's really simple. So, wait.
Wait.
They don't love you like I
They
love
don't love you like I love you.
you.
Wait.
They don't love
They
you.
don't love you like I love you.
Wait.
Wait. They don't love you like I love you.
Wait.
Wait.
They don't love
They
you.
don't love you like I love you.
Maps.
Maps.
It's not that hard.
It is.
It's not.
This is child stuff.
It's not chat stuff. TikTok.
What you mean?
It's a dance on TikTok. That's just
It's still child stuff.
You can dance
Just
at
all
that
right.
height.
Could I have a minute of your time, please?
Come in, babe.
Mommy, you didn't ask me.
Excuse me. Kamisha, can I have a moment of your father's time, please?
Yes, you may.
Sorry for God.
That didn't work.
Papa,
Babe, why so much chocolate in a Kamisha bag?
what you mean? When me carry out for your birthday, just buy her some chocolate.
But I know some that, Trevor, and you realize she put on weight, right?
So what you try to say? Are the chocolate make sure put on weight?
Yes, because she not do no physical activity and it makes her put on weight. To bag of chocolate where you get her.
In that case, you need to do some physical activity because you not eat chocolate and you put on weight.
Trevor Sullivan, no make me have to diss you today, you know.
Are you guys having an argument without me? Y'all know I like pasa.
It's the way you cause. No, baby, we are not having an argument. And me I put on weight in the right places. Come here.
What you going in the bedroom for? You know bedroom me? I must say Kamisha alone outside. Sit down there, someone. What your problem?
You spoil Kamisha.
What do you mean me a spoil Kamisha?
Why you give Kamisha so much chocolate?
I mean, it was her birthday, right? So me just a treat her.
Father bending sound. Yeah!
Yes, when you do them something here, and me tell her no, she run come to you. And you not understand.
Alright. This is just a one-off thing. But now I gotta do it on a regular basis.
Okay, make sure, because I don't like how this a go.
What you mean? I have to do this. I say I never bond with her for a long while. So, a time now.
Unicorn, wait! I'm coming to save you! I love getting to unicorn! We're waiting! Unicorn! Unicorn, wait! Where you going? Got you.
Trevor.
Mommy, come here!
Come in, Kamisha. Yes, Kamisha.
Mommy, look! I saved the unicorn!
That's nice, baby. But I'm talking to daddy now, so just give mommy a moment, okay?
Are you sure you guys not arguing?
We're not arguing, Kamisha. We're just having a conversation.
Okay, if you say so.
What would I say now?
We're gonna talk about the bonding part. With me and Kamisha.
Mommy! No!
Daddy!